This is a final video to fix your Roblox poison ban and multiple accounts terminated at once. Are you facing this exact problem where all your Roblox accounts are suddenly gone? This usually happens due to violations of Roblox's rules, sometimes even by mistake, leading to account terminations. Many solutions you find online are confusing, take too long, or are just plain hard to follow. But don't worry, Rexus is here to help. We have 4 proven methods that will fix this problem, guaranteed to work even if your situation is critical. Pause this video right now and try these methods one by one. You can also take screenshots to keep track. Remember, we are not explaining the steps here, just guiding you through the process. Follow the method step by step as shown on the screen, and you will get your accounts back.